In this video, I'm going to show you how to color match in Photopea. First, import both of your images into your project. In my case, I have a background image and a person that I want to blend into that background so it looks natural, as if he is actually standing there. I've already used the Magic Wand tool from the left toolbar to extract the person from his original background. After making the selection, I duplicated the extracted layer so I only keep the cropped subject and deleted the previous unwanted layer. Now I'm left with just the person placed over the new background. As you can see, the colors don't match, and it's obvious that the subject is not originally part of the image. To properly match the colors, open a new tab in your browser and search for an Extract Gradient tool. You will see multiple options, but choose Adobe Color from the top results. Once you're on the Adobe website, click on Select a File and upload the background image from your design. The tool will automatically detect different gradient stops based on the color variations in your image. If your image has many color transitions, you may need more gradient stops. In my case, the background is simple, so I selected 4 gradient stops. You can adjust this depending on how complex your background colors are. Once selected, you will see the extracted gradient colors displayed below. Now go back to Photopea and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From the list, choose Gradient Map. Make sure this Gradient Map layer is placed above the person layer you want to color match. Then right-click on the Gradient Map layer and select Clipping Mask. This ensures that the adjustment only affects the subject layer below it and not the entire image. Next, click on the Gradient Preview inside the Properties panel to edit the gradient. Select the first color stop. Go back to Adobe Color. Click on the first extracted color to copy its hex code, then return to Photopea. Double-click the first color stop and paste the copied color code. You will also see a brightness or position value associated with that color in Adobe Color. Copy that value and set it as the position value for that gradient stop in Photopea. Repeat this exact process for each gradient stop. Click on the second color in Adobe Color, copy its hex code, paste it into the second gradient stop in Photopea, copy its brightness value and set it as the position. Do the same for the third and fourth colors, adding new gradient stops if needed by clicking below the gradient bar. Once all colors are matched correctly, click OK to save the gradient. After applying the gradient map, change the blending mode of the gradient map layer from normal to soft light in the Layers panel. This blends the extracted background colors naturally into your subject. If the effect looks too strong, you can reduce the opacity of the gradient map layer slightly until it looks realistic. If you toggle the gradient map layer on and off, you will clearly see the difference. Without it, the subject looks out of place, and with it, the colors blend seamlessly into the environment, and this is how you can color match in Photopea.